This is the Sony CCD-TRV312, a compact Video8 Handycam camcorder released by Sony in the late 1990s as part of the company's analog 8mm lineup. It records onto standard Video8 tapes and features a 15x optical zoom lens with 30x digital zoom, giving it a solid balance between image quality and zoom range for everyday recording. The CCD-TRV312 includes Sony's SteadyShot electronic image stabilization system, designed to help reduce camera shake during handheld shooting. The camera also features manual focus, built-in shooting modes, picture effects, along with both cinema and 16:9 full widescreen modes for a more cinematic look. On the side of the camera is a 2.5-inch color LCD screen, along with a black and white eyepiece viewfinder for more traditional shooting. The compact Handycam body design made the TRV312 much smaller and easier to carry compared to older full-size camcorders from the early 1990s. For connectivity, the TRV312 includes analog audio and video outputs for playback to a television or VCR, along with Sony's LANC control port for accessories and editing equipment. More than 20 years later, the CCD-TRV312 is still appreciated for its classic late 90s Sony Handycam styling, dependable Video8 recording format, and the unmistakable analog camcorder look that many people still use today for retro video projects and tape archiving. So, let's head out, get some footage, and see what it looks like.